Ka Kynhun Toket Special Investigation Team SIT Jong ki pulit ka jala Meghalaya ka Pyrshang ban Thaw da ka Mukotduma ka Bajwat bat ka Pyrkhing Pyrshah ka Sonam Raguvanshi bat da kinong yarap jangka ki balai don ketiha ka ban penyap benya unong jongok kai perthai na Indor u Raja Raguvanshi ka baraja seorah ubenai beladap ki bor badi khmi ki loong ba ki khmi lenti bakin sayo shosho iki jingtip ki bakham shai anda lawan poilot kini ki runar sanang ba sherlong bat la toket benya iki Superintendent ki pulit ka East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Sim haka singi ba ar layat ho ba ka SIT kala raikut ban pin kre da ka charge sheet lani ka jingmudui ka bating ngidang lum shu shu ki sabut ka SIT kala pin kre ka Mukotduma ka baklan bat shen yin salik ra ka charge sheet ulaong hadin balada pendong ki jing tokit haki babun kiliang ka SIT kan sarai lanu anya lami kini kirunar shawai saudong seorang na ka bentaban penwandur banyak ya ka jingja baro
See them. In fact, I have already said, there's this piecing of so much of evidence. It was, that's why in so little time we had to amass a lot of data, a lot of information, a lot of data. That's why many teams were actually not only SIT. SIT was a core group, but then we had a team of 15 to 20 people, and different areas were assigned. And when we zeroed down, we had a lot of information, which actually when we put together this information, we got evidence, and from the evidence which led to things. Yes, one of them is footages and all that, which is very helpful. That's why we've urged homestays and places where there's high footfall, they should have footage, because a small little piece of evidence is really helpful. And that little footage actually showed them together. So that has become an evidence, and that's been seized also. And apart from that, many other evidences were there to actually even zero down on Sonam.